Good morning everybody, welcome back to Aunt Candy. I hope you're all alright and had a lovely week. We are back today with this beautiful Dior, sorry about the sirens. It is a Dior shoulder and it's in this lovely sort of corally pink colour. It's a really nice colour in the patent canard leather. And you've also got this little Dior accessory there as well. So you've got the removable shoulder strap and then you've got a zip top closure which opens up. Inside you've got this nice open space and then you've got one flat pocket as well and a nice pop of pink inside too. I will come back and show you the sizing of it as well. So I'm about 5'4", UK size 8 for reference. It matches the flowers nicely. All the exact measurements will be on the website, so if you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to this on our website where you can see all the details about it. You can also use it as a clutch because you can take the strap off. If you do click the link, it will take you to the website. If it doesn't, sorry, that means that it has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you have a request for this bag and it's already sold, make sure to send us an email on the website and we can pop you on that list. Whilst you're there, sign up to our newsletter, have a look at all of our other bags. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, etc. But yeah, it comes with this little Dior dust bag, which I think is for the keyring. And then you've also got the large Dior dust bag as well. And condition-wise, we have said that it is in good condition throughout, so it's in a really nice condition. You can just tell that it has been used. So on the exterior, you have just some little marks, no sort of scratches, but just little marks where you can see that it has been used. And then on the base as well, you have some little dark marks on there. But overall, it still looks lovely and shiny. There's no big pieces of wear. It's in a really nice condition. Interior, for the same reason, there's no sort of particular marks to show you, but you can just tell that it is a pre-loved piece. And the hardware's in a lovely condition. It's absolutely beautiful. You've just got a little bit of scratching sort of throughout on the hardware. No tarnishing, but just a little bit of scratching. But it all looks lovely. Also on the exterior, you can just see a little bit of darkening to the zip, and then just where the handles go, you can see just a little bit of wear just there as well. I forgot to point those out for you. But yeah, so good conditions throughout. If you love this Dior, check it out on our website. The link is in the description. If this isn't for you, still go to our website. We have so many beautiful pieces of Aunt Candy. So go and check out the website and we'll see you soon with some more.